Woodspring Wings 2008. The weather's been pretty atrocious, but we've got here today two pilots from the Reiki Model Flying Club who've both put a superb display on, flying their Red Hawks in the Red Arrows colour scheme. Right, we've got Steve Bishop.
How do you do?
And we've got Matt Bishop.
All right, hello.
Needless to say, looking at the ages of the father and son team. Now the aircraft itself, Steve, if you could tell us a little bit about the aircraft. First of all, who makes it and where it comes from?
All right, yeah, both kits are identical, and it's the Airwheel kit in Germany, and it's a composite kit. We got these in September and built them simultaneously and finished them in February this year. Inside we got a JetCat P160 turbine in both. It's Futaba, the new Futaba 2.4 radio, but we're using the JR Reservos for the speed and the accuracy. Yeah, it's the first time we've actually used a power box. I've never used a power box before, so we've used a power box, a 1024 power box, powered by two 3000 milliamp light polys, and that gives us security on two batteries. Also a battery backup if one goes, and the engine is actually NICAP. First arrived, we had a good look at the runway. We thought it's very short, and we were concerned whether we could stop. But after the first landing, as you can see on the video, it did stop. And because they're light, I would say around about the 40 pound, and with full flap, it did come in quite slow and very, very responsive, very controllable at low speed.
Right, Matt, you obviously both fly together, and I have to say the timing's pretty immaculate for you to cross into the middle there and stay together when you do. When you split and do the sort of from the synchronised bit, how do you get the timing so good?
We actually we have a very good communication to ourselves. We always talk in a lot of fine adjustments, backing off, running in quicker. We have very good understanding because we have flown together quite a lot.
How long did it take the pair of you to, one, work the routine out, and two, practice it to the level you've got it to a professional quality that you've got?
Well, we don't actually practice that much because it's so expensive, and we don't want to get it wrong. But we've probably practiced. We actually practice at the shows to get it right. But we've probably done 3 weekends practice. Basically, I make the manoeuvres as we go along. I do most of the calling. Matt follows me, and that's how we do the synchronised part.
One last sort of final question. Obviously, most people are going to say, how much did it cost? If you could sort of, without the wife hearing this or without the family knowing this figure, give us an idea of the complete package.
Yeah, well, I say my wife isn't listening, I hope, but they are expensive. But obviously, to get the best, you obviously got to buy. They are expensive. But I would say the total package is probably in the region of about £8,000.
So it's particularly important then when you're flying together, then not to hit each other. Just one thing, last question on the flying. Obviously, when you're doing the crossing manoeuvres, both horizontally and sort of coming down vertically, how do you work it out so you don't bump into each other?
I'm actually far on the left to right manoeuvres, and when we go across the back, I'm actually the lower of the two, and we stick to that, and we know where each other are.